Like by Simone Cooper. I like balloons. I like raccoons. I like to watch cartoons. I like baboons. I like cocoons. I like macaroons. I like the breeze. I like the trees. I like honeybees. I like green peas. I like Swiss cheese. I like pretty please. I like to swing. I like to sing. I like to ring-a-ding. I like the spring. I like the king. I like a ball of string. I like noodles. I like oodles. I like apple strudel. I like poodles. I like doodles. I like the whole caboodle. I like things blue. I like things new. I like things cut in two. I like to moo. And things to do. But most of all, I like you.